No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I cook it.
Are you cook this, sir?
Yeah.
No.
But yeah, I look down upon him like say, he may not go make.
So fly. What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. So fly from, you know it's your boy Henry. You know, so we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here like every day. You see me? But they are doing it. Judging from the title, people, you know, it's a reaction time. Kitchen reaction. Right now, today we are going at the hills, people. We're going in a Rasta kitchen. You don't know about Rasta, we are going at Rasta. You see me? Before we go in a video, you know, we ask you for do we have favor. See the subscribe button. Now, click the subscribe button. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, 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 tell another friend. See your boy out here. Do it like every day. You see me? We now go around a corner, we just jump in a Rasta video quick.
That lizard, do not make no picture of Ras gold lizard, you know. Ras kitchen gold lizard, you know.
Exclusive.
Yeah. Well, if you see it, I saw it go about. Do not make no picture after the gold lizard. That is Ras kitchen lizard. They might come and say, oh, what kind of lizard that? Don't jump in like that. Oh, I train him. No, I train him. Animal little one.
He needs some milk.
I grow it up.
You raised them well.
Yo, me hear people are raised dog, cat, goat. Me never hear people are raised lizard in Jamaica. Anyway, Rasta the first one, people. Anyway, we just say we're there. See what I do in the kitchen, so go back in the video. Lizard razor.
People say on video, oh, you're raising a lizard. Oh, a lizard.
Just the gold
the
lizard.
gold lizard, it's just me and Matthew friend, you know. He don't like to take picture with the person, you know. It's just me and Matthew, you know, the gold lizard. So if you see him, you don't allow to make no picture. You have to ask it, maybe $100. $100.
Holy moly.
Right. Man.
How about that?
Sweet potato?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Maybe it good, maybe it bad. Never can tell.
And it is hot as fuck today.
The hard work today, you know. To make this video, you know, I think. You know, I want to go on for it, you know. If you don't know to what great or something great, I fuck up all the thing.
Yo, Rasta, go on, man. We just saw a whole bread for see. Yo.
You can't go there, just can't go there, no. Test it, you know. Tear on as a look fine.
Perfect.
You know,
You roll that up.
can't eat it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, check it out.
Moko's not the only one sweating today. I've never eaten it raw.
Wow.
People, no tell me something. Tell me something, people. You ever eat raw sweet potato yet? Me never know of people. Raw sweet potato. Me I tried and I couldn't know how it tastes. You can try it too. Comment down below and tell me how it tastes. If it can eat. It's a first time for everything. A first me I see this. First. Raw potato. Raw sweet potato. Anyways.
Not sweet, Matthew.
Not so sweet.
Alright.
No, not yet. It does taste okay though. I'm actually surprised.
People can go say, oh, Mr. Matthew eating raw sweet, raw potato. It's good. Mr. Matthew, I know you know we have to try it for yourself.
What is the Rasta shake up the nigga? Rasta shake up the nigga, look right. Rasta no say think you can eat it. Rasta tell the man sentence if he try it himself. He never tried. But it's like when him tried people. One of say one want me try it. See, I want to try it first. I would come there and tell you that I try it. Rasta the easy. Rasta the one you have to book.
You know it's good. Yeah, I know it's good. That's why I eat it. I know it's a good thing. Potato have every damn thing, you know? Potato have vitamin in it, everything. But potato, this thing when we have great, you know though. Everything. In a sweet potato. Pretty? Man. People must consider what they making. You don't know what it will work out. Why look pretty in that video there? Right there.
Comment down below, people. Jamaican or not Jamaican. Comment down below, people, and tell me what you think Rasta make. What I feel like Rasta make, people? Blue jazz. Kind of blue jazz, probably. I think I put blue jazz, me say. And comment down below and tell me what you think Rasta make.
Man, you mashed those up pretty quick.
Yeah,
No time at all.
happy you to this.
I heard a crack.
Yeah, crack pie.
Crack pie.
Crack pie.
Right.
I see.
Crack pie. Something egg. They call it nothing egg, you know, but I and I, Rasta call it something egg.
Yeah, Rasta change nothing egg people to something egg. So, time when I want nothing egg, just go to shop go say, yo, give me something egg there. That not sound good. We have to work with nothing egg. Rasta, sorry, but something egg then now go work, brother. We have to stick to nothing egg. I try it, but
Something egg.
People say nothing egg, but I and I get something egg. Yes, I
You got vanilla, rose water behind. Oh, you got some pre-made coconut.
Yeah. Some pre-milk coconut cream. Great to hear now.
Oh yeah, this is a mini one.
Yes. What Matthew? What we have make?
I'm guessing some kind of
Pokey.
sweet, some kind of fuckery. I was almost thinking like a sweet potato pancake almost, but I don't
What we have
know.
make?
A kind of a sweet potato fritter?
They never see this yet.
No sir. puppy.
Hey, doggy. How are you today?
Doggy, doggy.
Doggy.
All your friends are sleeping. What are you doing awake?
I'm vanilla. This is vanilla, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Right, I'm going to do. But we are make some form of cake. Nobody knows what. I'm not trying to make something.
Well, because 99% of the time
Yes, you take that record. Yes, you say that look like a fuckery. I joke. Yeah.
of course it's gonna work out. The only thing that never really worked out was yeah, but they still tasted good. So that's the thing. They did turn out. I think it only doesn't turn out if it tastes fucked up. If you can eat it and you're enjoying it, it's a win, right? It's fucking. Well, I guess the only one we failed on was bamboo. But we've also succeeded before. My first time in Jamaica, we chopped it right off the bamboo and ate it right when we were on a walk.
Yeah.
So we're 1 for 2 on that one. Try it again.
Yeah, man.
Brown sugar, sir.
Yeah, man. Very crazy. What next?
Do you need some kind of oil on it too? Just a pan.
We don't want no oil in the refrigerator. No,
Okay.
this is not.
Does that just mix with the sweet potato then, and then you're good to go?
Yeah, man.
All right. Good.
Yeah, good to rise up, man. Big surprise. Right. What that? Just warm with just a warm up here now, so you know, can't keep on eye open. People maybe not like it, people like it. Whoa, but me know at this people I go like. Remember me tell them, brother.
My turn.
Yeah, your turn, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Check that out.
Check it. Wow. Yep. Wicked.
But it's what?
I don't know. Doesn't matter. More complex than some of the other stuff. It's really blending perfectly. Looks like just wicked dough. But I see why you didn't add all this liquid with the nutmeg in right away. Because if you get too soggy, it gets fucked up. Just wicked dough.
You will like it to work.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I think I'm gonna like it if it tastes like that in advance without ever knowing.
I know, you know. You will see. Once I go and cook for a while, I'm going to scrape. Cook some bamboo. My time people make them. Some people we don't understand them. How we go down, you know. It's not so easy. It is not. It's a fucked up one. This year we get nothing out of this year. This year now. I just see this year now. You will not get nothing out of that, Matthew. Trust me. Never eat it, Matthew?
No.
If you like how the taste will get the choir and the juice.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. I think I'm gonna like it if it tastes like that. in advance without ever knowing.
I know, you know. We see. But I go and cook raw. Then I'm gonna scrape. Cook up some bamboo. And it did a cook. On the fire. It I go cook like food, you know.
Alright.
Like getting a like hard food, you know.
Wicked. I'm ready for it.
Nah, people. I will go and look away. Rasta, how you do, Rasta? Nah, man. Jaja. Rasta. You rip way off, Dan. You rip way off, Rasta. That's how I watch it. Rasta, you rip way off. Rasta, me no bother want to be Rasta again. Rasta, you rip way off, Rasta. You do that, bruh? Nah, man. After ready for the video, deep ready for the video, Rasta do a thing like that. Comment down below if you want to see we react to part 2 Rasta video. If you want to know, just comment down below if you want to know what Rasta really do in a part 2, people. And just comment down below. Remember, comment down below and make we know if you want to see what Rasta really do. Because I still feel like a blue jazz. But instead I cook in a pot, so we will never know. So wanna just comment down below. We'll see what goes. My Rasta you rip way off. I'm not gonna run the thing, you rip way off Rasta. But anyway, till another video. Remember, as would I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here like every day. So remember, tell a friend, 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 tell another friend. It's your boy Henry here, back at it again with another video. So remember, kitchen reaction, boss. That was Rasta kitchen. Yeah. But Rasta repair. But when I watch no face. We don't want to see the outcome of the video. So, if you don't want to see we react to the video, next one, just comment down below. Say, react. Now. You see me? Until another video, as would I say. Peace, people. Peace be still.
Take a look at the world now.